You've been using ChatGPT, but only to write or fix your text? What if I told you there are built-in features that could save you hours, help you stay organized, and actually make ChatGPT feel like your personal assistant? Features that 99% of people still don't use. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful tips that changed everything for me. Let's dive in. A few days ago, I had to summarize a document containing sensitive information, but I didn't want that info saved or used to train the model. It just didn't feel safe. So I did a little digging and found temporary chat. This built-in feature works kind of like incognito mode. It keeps your conversation out of your chat history and nothing is used to train the model. To turn it on, click the temporary chat icon in the top right corner. Your screen or chat box will turn dark. This means nothing you type will be saved to your account. Now, just a heads up. While your chat history isn't saved, OpenAI may retain files or data for up to 30 days, but only for operational and safety purposes. After 30 days, the data is automatically deleted unless flagged for abuse or misuse. When you're done, open a new chat to exit the temporary chat mode. Just don't forget to copy anything you want to keep, because once you leave, it's gone for good. This feature is perfect for private work or quick one-time tasks. Do you constantly rewrite what ChatGPT gives you because it doesn't sound like you? Then this feature will blow your mind. You can now customize ChatGPT's tone, style, and personality to match yours. This has saved me tons of time and helped me get confident. Every time I ask ChatGPT to generate a text, I get ready to use content. No more robotic replies. To set it up, click your profile icon, then select Customize ChatGPT. Tell it what to call you, describe your work or goals, choose your tone, professional, friendly, funny, add anything else you want it to know about you, then click Save. From that point on, it talks like you. This feature is a game changer. If you juggle different projects and want ChatGPT to use a different tone or context for each one, try the projects feature. It keeps your work organized and helps tailor the responses to your project's unique vibe. Here's how. Click New Project. Name your project. Upload relevant files. Add project instructions like, I'm a content creator. Always respond with clear bullet points and practical examples. Now, every time you generate something inside this project, you feel like ChatGPT knows exactly what you need. No more repeating yourself 100 times. If you notice that your ChatGPT gets strange and starts bring up old ideas, outdated advice, or just misremember your vibe, that's its memory in action. And the good news is, you control it. To manage it, go to Settings, then click on Personalization and Manage Memory. Delete specific memories or reset everything. I usually do this when ChatGPT starts acting a little off. It's like hitting refresh on your browser. It clears the clutter and gets things running smoothly again. Still pasting ChatGPT responses into Google Docs to rearrange your text or do minor adjustment? Please stop. Use Canvas mode instead. Click here to open Canvas mode, or if you are seating a new chat, click the 3 dots next to the prompt bar and choose Write or Code. This opens Canvas mode. The Canvas icon indicates that the Canvas mode is on. Write your question here and generate. A split screen with chat on the left and an editable doc on the right will appear. Click and edit your content directly, like in Google Docs. Change titles, rewrite lines, or add notes. Want ChatGPT to fix just one sentence? Highlight the section. Click Ask ChatGPT. Type something like, make this sound more professional, or translate to French. Only that section will be edited. You'll also find smart controls in the bottom right corner. This helps you add emojis, refine tone, adjust reading level, lengthen or shorten the text. In the top right corner of the canvas, you can click this icon to view changes made in previous versions of the document. You can also navigate between versions using these 2 arrows to go back and forth. Once you're done editing, click here to copy the text and paste it into Word or anywhere else you like. You can also download a PDF version by clicking here, but note that it includes a large ChatGPT title at the top. To share the document with a co-worker or business partner, simply click here, copy the link, and send it to them. To exit, click the icon in the top left. Don't worry, your work is saved automatically. I have a confession. I used to scroll through dozens of chats to find a playlist I made a week ago. It was painful. But now I find anything in seconds. Every time I create a new chat, I make sure to rename it by clicking the three dots next to a chat title, selecting rename, and give a name to my chat. I use easy to remember keywords like monetization plan or TikTok script. Then, when I need to go back to that chat, I use the search bar to pull it up instantly, even if it's from a month ago. This is a simple habit, but a huge time saver. If you have a messy chart or a handwritten note, you can ask ChatGPT to explain the chart or transcribe the text on the image. Let's say you see this chart and you want to know what it means. Simply download the image to your computer or take a screenshot. Click the plus icon next to the prompt field, add the image, and ask, "Can you explain this to me?" You will get a full explanation of the image. If you want to extract the text from the image, simply ask, "Extract the text." This feature helps you understand complex images, extract the data, and even recreate the image if needed. Don't waste your time writing your hand note on your computer. Just try this feature and thank me later. That's it for today. In the next episode, I'll show you how to schedule tasks with ChatGPT so it can remind you, update you, and even send you daily summaries automatically. I'll also walk you through more powerful features that most people still don't even know exist. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or requests, feel free to write them in the comments section below. Until next time, keep creating and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.